Okay guys, I'm back with another video. In our new house, we're gonna put some flooring, some garage tile flooring. This comes from RaceDeck, otherwise known as snaplock. And I'm going to attempt to do this we're gonna get rid of these boxes today, but I'm gonna attempt to do this just kind of starting, as they say, along the front and then going along the wall and then just filling in as you go. So I'm gonna open this stuff up and get going. Here's a look at the tile that I have. It's this tough diamond tough shield, and this is in the graphite, I think, color, and then I also have some alloy, and then I also have some blue mixed in as well. So this is what the tile will be like. So let's open it up and get going. All right, so the first step is to start here in the entrance of the garage in this fashion here. So you're gonna just snap that in, obviously go up the line there, and then we'll come across there and then just start filling it all in with the pattern that we've chosen. So we'll get going and give you a couple little updates. All right, you can see they come in sheets of 4. And so, if you are doing the pattern, you can break them in 2 or whatever. So you can see I'm doing a little pattern here, but it's easy to just break them in 2, run them 2 at a time. And how they connect is on the back. You can see how it just pops into this. So you just throw it down here like this, kind of line them up with the loops there, and then just hammer away with the rubber mallet and keep on going along. Well, this isn't the best way to do it by moving stuff over, but this is my only option here today. It's a rainy day, so I can't put stuff in the rain. But anyway, here's the progress. You just got to make sure sometimes when you're snapping them in, sometimes the little thing will want to catch, and what I mean by that is these little things here, these females on the end there, they sometimes will catch right on the edge there, so you got to just keep an eye out for that. But a rubber mallet and just some time and patience is all it takes. And so this is how far we are along right now, but it's looking pretty good. It's going to look better when all this junk's out of the way. All right. Okay, so obviously you'll have to make cuts to finish off your project, a little place like that. So I got this little blade right here that's meant for plastic. It's an aluminum blade, but it's meant for plastic and stuff. I'm just going to use my skill saw, kind of set it up on the pallet that these came in to cut it on. And we set it to 1/2 inch depth, and you want to cut on the top according to the CEO of RaceDeck. And so we're going to go ahead and see if this is going to work for us and go from there. All right, it's all installed. It looks great. There's all the boxes left over. I'll try to do another video when it's all done. We got some junk in the thing here too, but it turned out real nice. If you have a table saw, you can probably get like the little edges a little bit better, but you are supposed to leave a little room for expansion. I'd use a hand saw, a skill saw, and yeah, it makes a little noise when you walk on it, kind of like plastic noise, but not that bad. What I would highly recommend, though, when you're doing this is to get some knee pads. I will put a link down below for knee pads because, getting down there on your knees, it's going to be rough. Also, you're going to want one of these because as you're going along and you're making cuts, dust gets everywhere. That was my cutting area there, and I just had to clean it up. That thing's full now. So yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions, hit down below in the comments. And please subscribe. This is our little man cave over here. And at one point, we'll be able to park our cars once we get it all cleared out. All right, take care.